Hi everyone, welcome back to Miss Cake Kitchen. I'm Goli and today I'm super excited to share my secret to effortless cake and cupcake decorating, Italian Buttercream. Ever since I learned this recipe, decorating has become so much easier and fun. And today I'll walk you through all the tips and tricks and you'll see just how silky, smooth and delicious it is. If you're ready, show me a thumbs up. To start, in a saucepan, combine 200 grams of sugar, with 80 grams of water. And place it over medium heat. While that's heating, make sure your mixing bowl is completely clean and dry. Then, separate 4 egg yolks from whites. Doing this in a separate bowl to avoid any contamination. Remember, even a tiny bit of yolk can ruin the egg whites. Set the yolks aside and pour the egg whites into your mixing bowl. As the sugar syrup heats up, keep an eye on the temperature. We want it to reach 110 Celsius before we start whipping the egg whites. Once that temperature is reached, start the mixer at high speed. And then, as the sugar syrup continues to heat up to 117.5 Celsius, slowly pour it into the egg whites in a thin stream. Craving a custom cake in Toronto? With years of expertise, I'm here to make your celebration unforgettable. Check out my Instagram, link in the description, and DM me to order your dream cake today. Let's create something sweet together. Then, increase the mixer speed and continues whipping until it's cool to the touch. This ensures it's at the perfect consistency. Once it cooled down, add in your room temperature butter. about 450 grams, a little at a time. Keep mixing at a low speed and add the butter gradually. You can also add vanilla if you like. After adding butter, at first the mixture might look a bit soupy, but don't worry. With continued whipping, it will become smooth, creamy, and silky. And there you have it. The perfect Italian buttercream, ready to pipe onto cakes and cupcakes with ease. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my other videos as well. See you soon in the next video.